happen. We see am with our korokoro eye, and na our work to make you sabi am. Sharp Sharp Tori on top CHRICED radio and television. Anywhere where they happen across Obodo Naija and Obodo Igbo, we dey here to serve you hot like Naija Jollof. 12 o'clock for afternoon and 4 p.m. agogo na time for the Tori. No miss am o, because on top CHRICED radio and television, your matter na we own.
Yeah, so you see on top CHRICED radio and TV. My name na Princess Anyiana, and this na Sharp Sharp Tori for this evening. Oh yeah, sit down, make you for hear the Tories then we carry with pass. Make we carry you start for inside the matter of our Senate them, where we say our red chamber, the Senate for the second time, don't add more days to the days we say they go use the capital side of the 2024 budget. Now they go use and read December 31 to 2025. The Senate, yeah, this one for their meeting. What happened today will be Tuesday after they don't do change for inside the bill of the budget. They ask say they want this extension. Deputy Senate President Barao Jibrin now lead over the meeting can also announce say that they increase the time to use that budget after the first, second and third reading and sharp now they pass them. Then they consider this move for the Senate Committee on Supply so that it will allow Ogbonge government time where they for finish all the project with the inside the budget. Moving on inside the Tori this evening, before Vice President Atiku Abubakar don't ginger President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. So, oh yeah, make it come out to come and explain to everybody exactly in the Korokoro what be the relationship we get with that Belarus businessman Alex Zingman. After Tinubu go talk, he say, Alex is my classmate for Chicago State University. Inside the paper we drop today, now Atiku Tori office, they say they should be transparent because now there is a double mind on top of how true be the Presido Yan. Because if you check the record where they for public, what did they talk and what did they did, they know the match. As Tinubu bin the Yan for the launching of the Renewed Hope Mechanization Program for Abuja on Monday. Now they come to talk say, yeah, Alex, say then go CSU together. As he come the talk color belle to that talk, now Atiku say, I am worried over the way where Tinubu just casual, say in they connected with a person will get a problem where they don't spoil your name all over the world. And obedient movement don't press pause to suspend that yanning when they be tell public people are beg donate money because we want to celebrate the birthday of Peter Obi. Now some people begin their para. Say why you go to say you want to do national birthday rally on July 19, cause say make the contribution money. Say what is the point of the money? And then what is the impact of the money? How are they going to use the money? No, we don't support this. Now there they can't drop talk paper today will be Tuesday with the signature of a national coordinator, Dr. Yunus Atanko, said they don't suspend any work off to take do donation. Instead, make supporters them carry their money, use them well, and also give helping hand to those who need them. And coming from there, make we move to the next gist, where we say the leadership of the People's Democratic Party, PDP, and then work people of Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC. Right now, they have entered inside room, they closed door, they are doing discussion inside Abuja here, because the readiness is getting stronger and stronger. As the PDP now, they're ready for their National Executive Committee meeting, will go come up very soon. This is your body that they enter for inside the door, they close the meeting immediately after they be talk with Tori people for INEC headquarters. Nobody know why they enter those rooms then to go discuss so. But people might not say they will talk issue we get to do with the internal party process, the election will they come up, and exactly who be the leader of the PDP right now. And President Bola Ahmed Tinubu don't say no. No, I am so sorry. I cannot sign carry go for that National Assembly Library Trust Fund Establishment Amendment Bill 2025. He said if you check it, waiting there for federal law and waiting there for policy, they are not matching, so I cannot sign it to become a law. Inside letter where carry the address of Speaker of House of Representatives, where Speaker read for inside their meeting today, Tinubu say, yes, he agree. Say truly, he get some very big quality project and objective then where this law go carry come. But he get some other things where they inside that bill where no just match with the law and policy of Ogbonge governments. And coming out for Nigeria to make we enter for inside outside country where we say United States of America President Donald Trump last so he squeeze first para he carry him out to fiam. He finish Israel, finish Iran. As they accuse the both of them say ceasefire where we arrange for you, you don't come scatter. Israel said then don't go hammer one Iran radar. But They say they are not doing more attack after the Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu been follow Donald Trump yan. But they have been hearing explosion for inside Iran. Israel also they accuse Iran saying that them first launch missile to them after they don't start ceasefire. But Iran say no. I did not launch anything against you, Israel. And so these gospels, they continue. Now, dear, we self go draw the curtain on top of Sharp Sharp Tori for this evening. You want to sabi more of what's happen for Nigeria and the rest of the world? Keep a date with us. 12 o'clock tomorrow again for afternoon, we go bring fresh one. Until then, I beg, continue to follow us, follow our social media and those at CHRICED Radio TV. My name na Princess Anyana. Enjoy the rest of your evening.